Hello everyone, let's continue and understand few more important commands which can be used to administrate your Linux box. So next command is tail command. So with the help of this command you can print the last 10 lines of each file to standard output. And if you want to get the more output, you can add few options with tail and get the output of any file that we have in our Linux box. So let me show you how we can use the tail command. It's very simple to use. Suppose I'm in this location, I'm going to this, and suppose I have a file. This is the file I have, and in that file there are a lot of contents are there. I want to view the content of this file, but my requirement is that I just want to view the last 10 line of this file, and I can simply use tail and the file name. If you're using the cat command, what will happen? It will list you the complete content of the file. Now I want only last 10 lines. So you can see that I have just got an output of this file which has just printed the last 10 lines. Suppose I want last 15 lines. I can use -15 and my file name. Now you can see that 5 more lines has been added to the output. Earlier we got an output of 10 lines. Now we have got an output of 15 lines. So it is up to you what you want. I want only 2 lines, 2 last line. So you will get an output like that. So this is the tail. Tail means last. Now I want to get the output of top lines. So for that we have to use the command head and this. Now you can see that I have got top 10 lines of a file. If we have the file, in the file we have some contents. So the content will start from first line, second line, third line. Say for example in my file there are 100 lines. So it will start from 1 till 100. Now I want to get the top 10 lines, then I would be using head command, and if I want top last 10 command like 19, 91 to 100, then I would be using tail command. And we can use the option here also like head -5 and simple this. It will list you the top 5 lines of the message command. So let's move to the next command. Next command is touch command that we have already understand. So with the help of touch command we can create a file that would be empty file only. So let me show you how we can do that. Touch hello. So file hello has been created now, but that would be empty only. You can see here the size is 0. It means that it's an empty file, right? And we can do one more thing here. Suppose I have a lot of files are there, and you can see the timestamp is this one, okay? And if I I'm just taking the last line, this test1.tar. Just see the timestamp. It was created on December 18, and this is the time. If I am simply using touch and test1.tar, so what will happen? It will change the timestamp of this file. It will make it to the latest one. Now it has been changed to the December 9. That's the current time. So there are 2 use of touch command. The first one is you can use the touch command to create an empty file, and second one is to change the timestamp of your file as well. So if you simplify touch and the file name, it will change the timestamp and it will make it the current time. So friends, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to understand few more important commands. Thanks for watching, and if you have time, please join with me in the next lecture.